So there are 3 filters in the HVAC system, one for each component that need to be checked or cleaned occasionally. One of them is on the geothermal unit, and that's right here inside this panel, and you can see that right there. And actually, you don't have to open it up to check to see if it's clean because you can see it. So as you can see close up or whatever, this is clean. And this hasn't been cleaned, for well over a year. It doesn't get very dirty. But in order to change that, there's a clip here that you pull up on this and open like that, and then that filter slides right out of there. So that's how you change that one. Then for the dehumidifier, and you can see in here, maybe if I turn on the flashlight, so that one looks like there's some dust on it. Whereas this one with the light, you can still see the blue. So for that one, I'm going to turn this light back off. That comes out through this panel here. One screw. So we're going to unscrew that. And then this filter slides out like that. And yeah, this one's ready to be cleaned. And you can see there's some dust in the middle there. So that's ready to be cleaned. And it goes back in the same way. I don't think it's worth showing that, so I won't. And we'll do there's 2 kinds of filters in this guy here, but we'll do that. That's the ERV, and we'll do that in another video.